Hey creative, here's another cute craft idea using silicone leaf mold. Using the leaf mold and the UV resin, you're going to place some of it inside of the mold. I find that you have two options. You could put all of it at one time and put all any embellishment you want to put inside to set. However, I found that there was an issue with that. It causes it not to dry and cure properly. So I find the best thing to do is just do it in layers. So here you see I'm sprinkling glitter inside of it, and then I'm going to place it on the UV light. I have two different kinds of leaf molds. All right, you'll see two different kind of earrings will be formed here. Still putting glitter inside, and I'm putting a little bit of resin to let it cure a little bit at a time, because when I put too much, it doesn't cure and dry properly. It's up to you to do that if you want, but I find that it still takes a long time to dry. So here you see me putting some little tiny leaves inside of the UV resin, right? And then I'm going to put it back under the UV light and let it cure. Take it out, let it sit. If you find that when you're checking it and see that it's still kind of sticky underneath, put it back under the UV light. And if it's still like that, take it out if the top has cured and flip it and just let that cure a little bit more. Now, if you find that you have some imperfection, you have an option. As you see, you could put UV resin. You could put some UV resin on it and then let that cure. It will see a little imperfections, but this is trial and error, and I'm testing out to see how it comes out. All right. So see here, it's still kind of sticky, so I'm gonna have to take it out and test it. Cure it as many times as much as you want till you get it to dry thoroughly, back and forth. Just by feeling it, once you feel it, you'll tell that if it's cured or not, because it's like a smooth feeling. Back here, it's still sticky, so I have to put it back in. But I want him taking it out, flipping it over, and letting it cure on top, and then it was dried. It's dry on the top layer, but it's still kind of wet. But the only thing is, when that happens, so let's see, we're gonna try and get it out. See, still kind of wet on it. That's the only thing. What you could do is add some more resins in between and just dry it up, or just leave it. This is trial and error. So I'm gonna put it back under the UV light, and let's see. Just take out the next one. Still kind of, you can see that it's still kind of sticky. See, this side is perfect, it's dry. But you notice a trial error, because see in between, you can leave it as a design, but I'll show you. Let me put this one in too and take out this one, so I'll show you. Put it under the UV light. Alright, both underneath there. Now this is the next leaf. See, ooh, smooth layer. Let's see if underneath here. Let's see. See, a little icky too. So this gotta dry. See, we'll take out extra excess after we finish. Oh, look. One of them looking crannies. See, enough didn't go here. It's gonna just take off. But we'll do that after it's fully dry. Let's put this one in. All right, so see, nice and smooth on both edges. Now you see a little bit more too much glue here, so you either could sand it off, or if it allows you to take it off, which it does, sometimes it does. See, you just, there you go, see? Take it right off. Any imperfections, see right here, you can see it. You just take, I could use a They use the pliers and get that off. So you could turn them into either earrings, or you could turn it into a keychain. See, this one had a little imperfection here that I see I needed to have fixed. But look, you could turn it into either a keychain, or either earrings. It's up to you, and they're light. See? There you have it. Right now, so these are the ones. All right, look how these ones came out. These actually, I really like these. I tried doing them with the glue gun, and that was an epic fail. Yeah, these actually came out nice. A little imperfection, if you don't mind that, then that's fine. Otherwise, then you just put some more resins on it, and then that should smooth it out. Cause this side is nice and smooth. This side came out nice and smooth. All right, as I said, so let me see. It's not as, you see the little ridges, a little more resin, UV resin, and then you should be fine. Otherwise, from that, the shape and everything came out wonderful. Look at that. These are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. What do you think, guys? 420 may be over, but we have our leaf heads each day, taking it in. I can't say those words, else TikTok may take this video down, because this is the arts and craft video, but the terms, can't be used. So in that case, we just gotta say leaf. So these are my leaf earrings, but you guys know what the true ones are. But look at this. Look at that. Came out nice. So now all I'm going to do, you could turn it into a keychain, right? Or you could turn it into earrings, okay? All right. And that's it. So the holder right there. And there you have it.